How to get a disabled Insta account back. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get a disabled Instagram account back. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser. After you open it up, simply search for recover your Instagram account. And after you search for it, scroll down till you find disabled Instagram account. Tap on it and it will take you to this page right here. This is the help center of Instagram. After you read through this, you will see an option that says visit this page. Simply tap on that, and let me just open it up in a new tab and not the app. So after you open this up, you can get an option that says my account was disabled. Simply select that and tap on next. Now here you will see why your account was disabled, and there it says that your account does not follow Instagram community guidelines, or my account was hacked and they disabled my account. So what you can do here is simply choose your reason. I'll just choose the first one and tap on next. And after you go through that, you will see, was this helpful? Just tap on no and tap on the other. Now what you'll say here is you will need to type in that your account was falsely accused. Just write falsely accused and just don't copy this exact message, but write something like your account was falsely accused of whatever happened, and that you did not violate any community guidelines. So please reactivate your Insta account. After you do that, do not forget to add your username and then tap on submit. After you do that, Instagram will get your feedback and they will get back to you on recovering your account. And that is basically it, guys. That is how you can get a disabled Insta account back. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.